Hey everybody, so we finally got the skid steer from one of my previous videos up here, out for the season, and I want to add a couple of parts that I've had on hand for a while, like this racing seat that I want to add into it, because the seat that's in there has no suspension and it's just one of those metal tractor seats. So we'll add in one with a back and some suspension with some springs, and then the set of bucket forks that I want to try for moving stuff around the yard, like pallets and stuff. So we're going to go ahead and try to get those parts in there and give those things a try. So go ahead and try it. Okay, we got the seat on. Okay, we've got the seat in. And it fits good, except it's just rubbing a little bit here on the side. So let's see what we can do about that. Okay, just noticed this seat's totally blown out anyways, so I wasn't doing anyone any favors. Okay, so I got the bucket forks all set up. I have a couple of issues with them. I was worried about this screw being not strong enough, but it looks like that's not the problem here. This looks plenty heavy duty enough. But for one thing, it has a wing nut bolt on this side to tighten that bar down. It has one here to tighten this setting down, and they give you one, I assume, for this side, but they didn't weld a nut on there. So I'll have to look at the picture to see whether there's supposed to be one on there or not. But for whatever reason, this is just totally loose, while the rest of it is all tight with bolts. But they leave this one loose, but give you an extra bolt. I don't know why that is. The other issue I have with this is they're sold as 43-inch forks. But if you measure it, it's 43 inches. But only about 29 of it is useful. Maybe not even that. Maybe 27. So it's a little misleading. They should probably advertise that.
Your arms are just too short to box with God.
But let's go ahead and get these mounted and see how they work. All right, everybody, we got the seat in, we got the forks on. I think we were pretty successful. Both worked pretty well. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Subscribe if you're not already. Check out some of these other cool tractor videos below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Ugh.